Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. And in today's video, I'll be showing you how to use Claude AI to create an app from scratch. So whether you want to create a mobile app, a web app, a productivity tool, an AI application, Claude AI can help you plan, design, code, debug, and improve your project faster. By the end of the tutorial, you'll know exactly how to use Claude AI to go from point A to point B, which involves going from an idea to a working app. All right, guys, so let's get into it. First things first, what is Claude AI? So before we start building, we have to quickly talk about what it is. So Claude AI is an AI assistant that can generate code, explain programming concepts, create an app, architecture, debug errors, help throughout the development process. Think of it as a coding assistant that can help you turn your ideas into a functioning software. So Claude can help with AI planning, UI design ideas, coding, debugging, and much more. It's basically your toolkit to programming. All right, guys, so let's get into how we can decide on what app you want to build. So the first step is knowing the kind of app to build. If it's a to-do app, a fitness tracker, a budget tracker, an AI chat app, a habit tracker, an e-commerce application, a business dashboard, or an appointment booking app. The more specific your idea is, the better Claude can help. So we can basically just go into the prompt box here. A prompt is what you tell the AI to do and it follows it to the T. So you could tell the AI that you want to build a habit tracking mobile app for beginners. You could start by telling it to help you plan the entire project. That's how it works. You just simply give it an instruction and it follows, and then you just, use your information and the resources to simply create something unique. So let's go ahead and type that prompt down here. All right, and once you have your text ready, go ahead and hit enter and it's going to begin loading in. So it's going to build a habit tracker as a project for you. And then everything is just going to go smoothly. But first off, you're going to have to answer some questions. So what's the technical background for building this? We can go with I use no code tools, I hiring or sourcing. You could just say I want to use no code. Um, Personal projects, and then what platform. So we could go with either Android or both. So we could have it either on iOS or Android or not sure yet. So let's just say both. And it's going to make use of that information to create something unique. So this is a doable scope and it's going to showcase what we actually need. All right, guys. So before you go ahead and create any app, you still need to tell Claude to recreate or create you a development plan. So you could prompt it in a manner in which it helps you with a plan for the roadmap. So it's a roadmap for building a habit tracker that includes the features, screens, database structure, and development steps. This helps break the project into manageable pieces, such as the features menu, a user flow, screens, database, and development milestones. So the prompt simply looks like, and once you've written this down, just go ahead and hit enter and it's going to begin working in the background. So it's going to start creating the roadmap. Now, after that, we're going to have to design the user interface. So we have to create an app layout first. So we could prompt it again by asking it to simply design a modern user interface for a habit tracking app with onboarding, a dashboard, a progress tracker, and setting screen. So once this is done, you could just simply send this out, and you would have your modern user interface. Claude can actually suggest layouts to you, navigate your structures, and also use experience improvements. So it's gonna have user experience included into the process of creating the user interface. And then once you're done, you can simply generate the app code again by asking it to create the code for a habit tracking app using React Native. So Claude can then generate code for many popular networks or frameworks like React, Flutter, Next.js, React, and Vue, and Node.js. So you just choose the framework that fits your project and skill level. And then you can now begin building features one at a time. So instead of asking Claude to build the entire app in a single prompt, you could work feature by feature. So this makes it easier to test and maintain the code. And then after that, you can easily create a database. So most apps need a place to store data, and designing a database schema for a habit tracking application is the best way to go. Claude can help create type tables, relationships, and storage structures. And then after that, you could just go about debugging. Debugging is basically taking out your errors and fixing them. You could ask it to explain the errors if you need, and it will just fix it up for you. Then paste the code along with the error details. That way, it can just pinpoint where it needs to, and just give you out your results and a fix. And after that, you just improve and optimize your app, test the application, and then publish your app. So once you're satisfied with the final product, it will be time to launch. So you could either launch on the App Store or the Google Play Store. You could use web apps like Versal, Nellyful, and other hosting providers. So follow the platform requirements and publish your app. And once that's done, you could just simply have your app up and running and making some money for you. And that's how to use Claude AI to build an app in 2026. From the planning to designing and coding, debugging, testing, and deployment, Claude can help accelerate nearly every stage of the development process. And that's it. If you found this helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.